channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my October favorites. I was thinking about doing this, not doing this month, but I actually kept track of my favorites in my phone, and I was like, I need to share these favorites with you guys. So it's a mix of a little bit of everything. So the first thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is laundry detergent. So this laundry detergent Adrian actually picked up just like randomly. It's called Persil laundry detergent. And the reason why I'm putting this on my list is because certain laundry detergents don't get your clothes all the way clean and smelling right. Like sometimes your towels can still smell sour, or you know, certain fabrics and stuff like that. But he bought the Persil, I think that's how you pronounce it. He bought that laundry detergent at the beginning of October, and we've been using it nonstop all month, and it's been great. Like towels smell so fresh. They don't smell like a little bit faintly sour or anything like that. It's bomb. Like, you should definitely try it. And I do have very sensitive skin, and I don't have any issues with it breaking me out or anything like that. Years ago, I was using Gain, and I had a really bad allergic reaction to it. So did my mom, and I had a cousin, her son had a reaction to Gain as well. So I've been using All Clear for a long time, probably about 10 years, but Persil, we love it. It's really, really good. So highly recommend that, especially if you're noticing some of your clothes not getting, they still kind of faintly smell bad a little bit. Definitely try the Persil laundry detergent. God, this list is so random. It's like random stuff on here. Okay, Coda's car seat. If you watch my vlogs, you have seen we have this huge crate that we put in the back seat of my car, and we put Coda in there because he used to be car sick. He has grown out of his car sickness, update, thank God. But that was hard to, when I'm driving, I can't really see that well. I can see, but I couldn't see that well with that in the back seat. So I went on Amazon to see if they had car seats for dogs. I know they do, but I wanted something that would keep him in place, because Coda is not a big dog. You know, big dogs, you just need like that thing that you cover the whole back seat with, and they're good to go. But Coda is not a super small dog, and he's not a super large dog. So he's like a nice medium dog. He's about 50 pounds. So we bought this car seat from Amazon, and I love it. First of all, it matches my interior because it's like gray, and it's good for him. We just put one of his blankets at the bottom of the car seat. It has this seat belt that you kind of latch on the back of his harness, and it keeps him in place. That way we can open up the window, don't have to worry about him jumping out. And I can see, and my car doesn't look a hot mess with that big thing in the back of my car. So love that so much from the first time we put him in it. It's easy for him to get in and out, and it's easy for us to put him in and out of the car seat. It's really, really good. If you have a medium dog, highly recommend that. I know they probably have some smaller ones, so if you have like a smaller dog, they probably have one for your dog as well. So highly recommend that. Okay, I'm just gonna get all the random stuff out the way, and then I'll get into like makeup and hair. I have been loving stickers from Little Magic Prince sticker shop. She has perfected the goth glam aesthetic. It's so bomb. Like, it's like pinks and black. Well, that's basically, you know, glam goth. Like, it's so beautiful. And I used a lot of her stickers for my Halloween spreads in my planner. If you are a sticker girl, planner babe, definitely check out her shop. I'm pretty sure it's a black owned company as well. She has some of my absolute favorite stickers. Y'all know I've been trying a lot of sticker shops, like smaller sticker shops, and she is one of my favorites. I bought so much of her stuff, and I love everything about like her aesthetic and the products that she creates. So if you like a little bit of edge, that glam goth look, she has it. She has a lot of like different brown skin tones and stuff too. I love her stuff so much. Okay, my favorite show. Like, I love this show so much, and I didn't start watching it until this year. Shark Tank. I don't think I've told you guys about that, but I've mentioned this on my story before. I think Shark Tank came out in 2009. and I just started watching it in 2021. I love it so much. I think it's because now I'm an entrepreneur and I see how dope it is to see somebody create something and then blow up and then they're like millionaires. I just think that's so exciting to see. And I'm like really hyped and clapping and sometimes even crying from those episodes. I love Shark Tank. Me and Adrian, we watch it all the time, especially when we're eating dinner. We watch that. My favorite shark is Mark Cuban. I think he's he's one of the smartest ones on there, and he just has good judgment. Tell me if you watch Shark Tank. Like, I absolutely love that show. And I recently saw this black lady on there who, I think her company is called Ken, and she has these satin lined hoodies so naturals can protect their hair when they have on a hoodie. And it was just dope because she got a deal on there. It was just so exciting. I love Shark Tank. Okay, let's get into some makeup. Okay, in the month of October, I have been crazy about makeup and I've been enjoying how my makeup looks. I did a get ready with me with Pop Blossom and I tried out some things. You guys know the brow stamp for me was a fail. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it. It's a good laugh to see like how that happened. I did have a good experience with the Glamnetic magnetic lashes, but those are not my absolute favorites. My absolute favorites are the ones that I have on today, which are the Kiss Chiffon lashes. I have mentioned these lashes in a previous favorites video, but that should let you know, like, I really love these. I analyze my makeup sometimes in my pictures and I'm like, why does my makeup look good in this picture versus this picture and blah, blah, blah. And I've just noticed more wispy lashes give me an overall softer, youthful look. And I think that's the path I'm kind of going down with my lashes. I do have bold face lashes in my collection that are like thicker kind of lashes, but lately I just like a softer look with my eyes, and it just gives me, I just feel like I look youthful and just softer with more wispy lashes. Now it does still have length to them, but they're not like too thick to where it makes my face look, I don't know, like way down. And I don't wear eyeliner like I used to. And I used to go hard with the eyeliner because you guys know, those who have been watching me a long time, I love Amy Winehouse and she influenced me to do thick eyeliner, but I don't really like how that looks on my eyes anymore. I think it's because I'm getting older and the way that I look with makeup has changed. So I do like a softer look with just lashes. Even with eyeshadow, I don't really like how eyeliner looks anymore. Kiss Chiffon lashes, they are only like, they're under $10 and I think you can wear them 10 times. I love them so much, y'all. While we're talking about makeup, I also wanted to mention the Benefit Goofproof Pencil. I used to really like the Precisely My Brow Pencil, which is still a pencil I would reach for, but I definitely prefer the Goofproof Pencil because I feel like I can get my eyebrows done a lot quicker and it's very beginner friendly. If you're somebody who kind of struggles with your eyebrows, definitely try out the Goofproof Pencil. I think it's great. Like, that's what I have on my brows today. And it's pretty much what I use on my brows all the time. So I also want to continue to mention the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I have it in the color Toffee because the color in my skin is going away because it's in the cooler months now. And baby, this foundation on Amazon, baby, it fluctuates, but it's like $2.74. I don't know what Wet n Wild is doing, but this foundation is popping, okay? I'm gonna share with you guys in another video very soon that I bought a foundation that is $64 for the first time. And we shall see what it's like, because if it's not popping, I'm sending it back because that's $64. And this less than $5 foundation has me looking beat, okay? I will forever sing the praises of this foundation because it's a great color match and it has the right finish and coverage that I need, okay? So I still love that foundation. It's one of my absolute favorites and I always reach for it. And I also want to mention my color combo on my lips. Like, this is like my everyday look. And a lot of you guys complimented my makeup in my Katya video, and this is the exact same look that I've been doing in those videos. It's like my everyday look, and I'll try to do it for you guys because I actually got quite a bit of requests for it. This is Max Chestnut as my lip liner and the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. That is the combination that we have on. It just goes so well with different hair colors, so when I'm batching content, I don't have to worry about changing my makeup look because this is just like a nice neutral beat that goes with different hair colors. Okay, so I have mentioned all these things are really tried and true things that I absolutely love because you hear me raving about them all the time. So Kyra Shine, she put me on to the Shea Moisture Curl Mousse a month ago, I think so. And I have used it all the way up pretty much. I have about this much left and I just re-upped and got some from Amazon. Love it so much for my kinky curly wigs. You guys know, like, I go hard with the kinky curly wig reviews because I just feel like they look so natural. But I just recently started using the Shea Moisture Curl Mousse because I saw what she did in a video that she did a few months ago and it just made her curls pop. And I did that and it made the process of getting my curls to pop so easy. So highly recommend that. Of course there's other brands out there, but from the ones that I have tried, which is this one, I think it's absolutely a must if you have kinky curly wigs. Whether they're headband wigs or full lace wigs, closures, whatever it is. I would highly recommend that product for your kinky curly wigs and your curly wigs as well. Okay, so I'm gonna mention some YouTubers that I have loved for the month of October, but obviously I've watched them longer than that. So the first one is Kyra Knox. She's a twin, so she does have a sister that's a YouTuber as well. But Kyra does a lot of makeup on her channel, but recently she's kind of transitioned to more lifestyle content. But I've been watching her older makeup content from like 2 and 3 years ago. And I love the way that she does her makeup. It's like so timeless and she takes her aesthetic like really seriously. I love her Instagram feed and everything, and she just had a baby. She's just dope. Like, I love influencers like her. Like, she gives me black girl luxury, and I'm just inspired by her so much with how serious she takes her content creation and her visuals and everything. So really love Kyra Knox, and I've been really inspired by her older makeup content, but I love the way her lifestyle content is as well. And the last YouTuber I'm gonna mention is Juicy Jazz. She is like one of my favorite makeup gurus on YouTube. She is popping, but she is so humble. Like, she almost has 1 million subscribers, and she's just so like chill. But besides her being like super humble and everything, she takes the time to create really great content on her channel. Like, the reason why I've just recently hauled so many kiss lashes is because of one of her videos that she created. She did her favorite like drugstore kiss lashes, and she tried on every one in her video. Like, everybody, not everybody does that. She just goes beyond in her videos, and you can tell she knows what she's talking about when she's recommending products and stuff in her makeup videos. I just think she is dope. Like, I will rewatch her videos 1 million times because I just like her vibe, and I like how she conducts her reviews and tutorials and stuff. She's heavy on drugstore makeup as well. So if you're looking at a makeup guru who does more drugstore, I would recommend her. But she also does high-end makeup as well. But I love Juicy Jazz. Okay, let's get into some hair. So I feel like I reviewed some bangers in October, okay? So one of them was Outre's Bold and Irresistible. Now, I have kinky hair for 4B4C hair, and I don't like blending my hair with a lot of ponytails and stuff. That's why you don't see me do that on my channel very often. But that blended so well with my natural hair, and I was just blown away. That wig is going to be perfect for Christmas pictures, holiday pictures, special occasions this time of year because it's very thick and long. So it's perfect for the cooler months for special occasion pictures and stuff like that. Love that wig so much. I have my hair braided down now, so I probably won't wear that until maybe December, maybe end of November, December. And Katya. I told you guys I had that wig in my collection since about March, and I just didn't have, you know, my sponsored videos got in front of that. So I finally had time in October to review it, and I fell in love. You guys saw my reaction. All my reactions to wigs like that are genuine. I'm not like gassing it up. That was just bomb. And you guys reacted really well to that. That's one of my most popular videos of this year. It just like went crazy. It should have, because it's popping for real. That's like one of my favorite wigs of the year. So when I do my year-end wrap up of my favorite wigs, y'all already know Katya is going to be on that list. I'm just super impressed with how it looks. Oh, and Outre said they will be restocking Katya on November 17th. So that's all they told me. They didn't say anything about specific websites. I guess it's just going to be a general restock. So, you know, keep your eyes out for that. That's the only wig from Outre I asked about. So I had other people asking, what about so-and-so? What about so-and-so? I only asked about Katya because that's the one that was, you know, most popular on my channel right now. So hold their feet to the fire. If on November 17th, you don't see no restocks, hit Outre up and, you know, put some pressure on them. So those were all of my favorites for October. Tell me if we have any favorites in common or any recommendations that I should try. I'd like to hear those in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. They will be listed in the description box for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.